Welcome to AequilibraE, and if you're here, you are probably interested in editing networks with AequilibraE, and you probably already know that AequilibraE has the capability of keeping links and nodes consistent with each other. But let's see what that means. So I have this network for Mogadishu here, just to have, for a different city. And let's see what that means. So first of all, just so we know exactly, so you can see exactly what is going on, I'm gonna put labels for link nodes, for node IDs, and for links I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna do conversion to string. I should know this. Okay, there you go. So links now, and let's just change the color so we don't get confused with that. And maybe a better font, my favorite, Roboto. Okay, so as you see, if you get this link here, this link goes from 18883 to 24608. So this link is really going down, right? And looks correct. Let's try something. The first possible edit, I'm gonna put both in editing mode, and I'm gonna move this node there. Let's say for some for argument's sake that I want to change that or just move a little bit. Let's see what happens when I save the node layer. Do you see that it snapped straight into it? Sometimes it doesn't go straight away. I don't really know how QGIS does this, but sometimes you just need to move things a little bit, and it redraws everything correct. Okay, this is one. It's nice, but it is not the most sophisticated change we could do. Let's look at something a little bit different here. Let me look for a point in the network where this. Okay, here. Let's say, for example, actually this is correct. That this is incorrect, and this should be actually one on top of the other there. That this road is really where the continuation there. It's probably not, but let's suppose it is. What I want to do here is to get this node here and put on top of that one. But regardless of how much I do, it's really hard to get on top. Here comes a secret. Go to Project, Snapping Options, and just snapping an intersection is good. You can change, how sensitive it is. I'll just leave as it is, this one. And see, as I move, at some point he moves straight, and I click there. So I put a link on top of the other, a node on top of the other, right? Look at the ID here, and look at the ID of the previous node there. As soon as I save, see that this node was kept, and this now changed, right? So let's look for another example of that. Let's say this guy also connects there, and as I get close, you see it is in pink again, and I click. I'm sorry, up. And he moved there. This node now would expect to change to 3066 and 3660 and so that one. I save, and immediately all of them change. So there are a couple other things we can do, a couple other changes. We can do this, or let's say edit a link, get this link here, and say move there. Let's say it's not connected. You know, as soon as I save, a new node is created, and the A node in this case is updated. So there's more to this. There are many other triggers. I'm going to leave it the information listed down below, and you can look at the documentation. Join AequilibraE at googlegroups.com, or join our Slack channel. I'm going to leave the links below so you can do that, and see you at the next video. Thank you.